Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix annoying green lines on iPhone screen in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press and hold on the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now slide this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, if the green lines are still annoying you, then reset all settings in iPhone. So to reset all settings, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset. Now from here click on reset all settings and then enter your lock screen passcode. Now here click on reset all settings to confirm reset. So it will reset your all iPhone settings, but it will not delete your any data like photos or any other data in your iPhone. It will just reset your all settings, and after resetting all the settings, your iPhone will be fixed. And if it's not fixing your iPhone, then open settings, click on general and then click on software updates. Now here check if your iPhone is updated to latest version or not. If your iPhone is not updated to latest version, update your iPhone to latest iOS version. After updating the iPhone to latest iOS version, your phone will be fixed. And if it's still showing these annoying green lines, then run your iPhone in recovery mode. So to run your iPhone in recovery mode, connect your charger and then press and hold power button and volume down button at the same time. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.